Welcome back to Worth to Buy It. Today's video is about the best-seller drone on Amazon US, the DJI Mini 2, Ultralight, and Foldable drone Quadcopter. This is really an incredible drone, no wonder that is #1 best-seller on Amazon. Watch the video until the end to find out if it's worth to buy it. You'll see the drone's specifications, price and online review data. This way you will make an informed purchase if you are planning to buy a drone. Let's start by viewing the Mini 2 product specifications. The motto of Mini 2 is, "Make your moments fly." At less than 249 grams, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. A 12MP camera in the sky delivers content guaranteed to impress. Along with 4K 30fps video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, Mini 2 ensures stunning image quality that is consistently smooth no matter how adventurous your piloting gets. Built-in OcuSync 2.0 allows DJI Mini 2 to adjust automatically between two frequencies, which extends Mini 2's max transmission distance to 10 km for even more flexibility. DJI Mini 2 supports 4x digital zoom, providing more options when recording family, friends, or pets. You can safely capture your subject without flying too close. DJI Mini 2 is capable of 4K 30fps video, offering higher quality footage for those looking for more professional-looking content. Mini 2 features the same one-tap QuickShots as Mavic Mini and throws Boomerang into the mix. 4K hyperlapse and panorama are also added to this new Mini 2 drone, making it possible for beginners to shoot Hollywood-level videos with ease. The price of this amazing drone is currently $449 on Amazon US and £419 on Amazon UK. Check out the description for the purchase links. We saw the Mini 2 specs and its price. Is time now to check out its online review data and what people have to say about it. On Amazon, it has an amazing rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars from 4,392 ratings. Google merged reviews rate it with the same rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars. Let's see how the main review sites rate the DJI Mini 2. PC Mag rates it to 4 out of 5 stars. Tech Radar gives it a perfect score of 5 out of 5 stars. The same review of 5 out of 5 stars got from Digital Camera World. Wired give this drone a rating of 8 out of 5 stars. On The Verge it got 7.5 out of 10 stars. Let's see some customer reviews, starting with the pleased customers first. Tyler is the first pleased customer we review. He says that major improvements make it the best to date. Incredible. For all those wondering what's the difference in the original Mavic Mini and the Mini 2? The Mini 2 basically just improved everywhere the original lacked. Another random positive review from Prime Shopper that tells us that significant upgrades across the board when compared to the Mini 1. The main one is definitely OcuSync 2.0, which is a tremendous improvement from the Wi-Fi system utilized in the Mini 1. Getting to the dark side, we see the first negative review. I received my new Mavic Mini 2 and it's not working. I've spent the entire day and night on YouTube trying to figure it out to no avail. I literally do not have more time or energy. A second negative review was left by R. Totish with the remark, "The gimbal went dead before I was even able to fly it." Gimbal wasn't physically stuck, but was completely unable to move at all, so I returned it. Kept receiving gimbal calibration error 40011. We checked out the Mini 2 specifications together, the online review data, and what customers have to say about it. Is the DJI Mini 2 worth to buy? You decide that based on your budget and requirements. We say that the Mini 2 is definitely a good drone for any beginner. Hit the like button below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more videos about worth to buy products. If you own a Mini 2, leave a comment below to let us know what you think about it. And if you want a specific review for another product, let us know. Check out our other videos suggested on the screen for more great online review data on cool and trendy products. Fly safe and responsible. Enjoy your day.